Today we will restore a backup on another computer. Do you know where your backup is located? Is it on a flash drive or in cloud storage like Dropbox? Maybe on an external hard drive. Make sure you have the same version of PostalMate installed on the computer you're restoring the backup on. If your version of PostalMate is not the same version as the backup you're restoring, this warning will appear. Make changes to your computer by updating. Let's check and see what version your PostalMate is on. You can find help and about from any of the programs: PostalMate, CacheMate, and Utilities. Open PM Utilities found on your desktop. Click PM Utilities icon. If you do not have the icon on your desktop, click the Start button. Scroll until you find the PostalMate folder. Open and choose PM Utilities. System Utilities will launch. Go to Help and About. This will show the current version of PostalMate that is installed on your computer. To close, choose OK. Plug your flash drive into the computer you're restoring the backup on. Let's restore the backup. Choose Restore from Backup. A warning will appear. Before you continue, make sure that PostalMate Shipping System, CacheMate, POS, Register, and the PostalMate System Utilities are shut down on all auxiliary stations. Choose OK. To start restoring the data, choose OK. Choose the location of your backup and choose the correct backup. Are you sure you want to replace the existing database? Choose Yes. The process will begin. Restoring the data. The restore has completed. Choose Close. Let's close PostalMate System Utilities by clicking the X in the top right corner. Let's open PostalMate. Double-click the PostalMate icon. PostalMate is now open. Please check your settings if necessary. Thank you for watching, and stay updated by subscribing to our social media channels.